Penny and the Pirate Parrots. Set sail on a high-flying adventure with Penny and a band of clever pirate parrots. When Penny discovers a mysterious map leading to a hidden treasure, she teams up with the colorful crew of Captain Squawk and his pirate parrots. Together, they face thrilling challenges, decode secret messages, and uncover the true treasure of friendship and bravery. Perfect for young adventurers, this story will captivate and inspire. Introduction: Meet Penny, a spirited girl with a love for adventure and discovery. One day, Penny finds an old, tattered map while playing near the shore. The map shows the location of a hidden treasure on a nearby island. Penny decides to follow the map and sets off on her small boat. On her journey, Penny encounters a crew of pirate parrots led by the charismatic Captain Squawk. Captain Squawk explains that they have been searching for the same treasure for years. Penny and the pirate parrots decide to team up to find the treasure together. They set sail on the pirate ship, the Feathered Fortune, towards the island marked on the map. Along the way, they encounter various challenges, such as a fierce storm and a school of flying fish. Penny uses her quick thinking and the parrots use their unique skills to overcome each obstacle. The map contains riddles and clues that need to be decoded to find the exact location of the treasure. With the help of the clever parrots, they solve the puzzles and make their way through the island's jungle. They finally reach the spot marked on the map and discover an ancient chest buried under a large tree. Inside the chest, they find not gold or jewels, but a collection of beautifully illustrated stories about pirates and parrots. Captain Squawk explains that the true treasure is the knowledge and stories that bring them together. Penny and the parrots realize that their friendship and the adventures they shared are the greatest treasures of all. Penny and the pirate parrots return to their ship, ready for more adventures in the future. They sail back home, singing pirate songs and sharing stories of their incredible journey. Penny returns home with a heart full of memories and a promise to visit her new friends again. She looks forward to many more adventures with Captain Squawk and his pirate parrots. And with a lively pirate shanty or cheerful bird sounds, perfect for young adventurers.